Hello everyone, JRDeal96 here with a brand new reaction. As you could tell by the title, it's another Jacksepticeye video and it's another Teardown video. Now, my goodness, the last episode was probably one of my favorites. The fact that you can mod the game and add these other things in there, like, a minigun, like a laser gun, asteroids, like, what? You become God and you could just rain down asteroids on things. And then there's like modded levels and stuff. Like Sean was messing around with the skyscraper one, and he placed C4 around one building, and he blew them up all at once, and it fucking lagged his computer so badly. It started almost crashing his computer itself. Oh god. And he said he might play some of the actual levels with the mods on, and I hope he does, because to me, that makes the game a lot more fun. Like, why not? Who cares? Like, who cares? Like, you don't have to listen to everybody in the comments. I don't know. But apparently now in this, I guess there's like a plain level, unless if it's a modded level. I don't know. But we'll find out. So let's get right into it. So without further ado, let's react to this video, shall we? Oh boy. Oh boy.
Just when you thought it couldn't get greater.
Oh.
When Teardown seemed to have
Yeah,
hit its limit
that.
by asteroid striking a building and ruining everyone's life. Destroy the whole thing.
Oh my god, that was just crazy.
Oh my god.
How could it get any better?
I have made it even better.
Oh my god! Fucking dual minigun!
I can't even sit still. It just pushes me.
Oh my god, the jetpack!
What is this? This is too much power for a lad to have. Ah! It does so much damage.
Look at that. That's a lot of damage. Holy fuck!
Just call me the property brother because I'm here to renovate your life.
Where's the asteroid?
This is stupid. How is it even better than the minigun I had? This is like, it's like when you put a bunch of like sunflower seeds into your mouth and you try and spit them out as a kid, like.
Yoshi's Island. Oh, you're gonna actually shoot one?
That's a minigun. What's the point of having one if it doesn't rip a hole in space and time? Also, improvised jetpack. The bullets go forever.
Oh my god, you could. Holy shit, look at that.
What? I'm gonna turn everything into Swiss cheese. Do you like your new aerodynamic house? Look, we can't afford air conditioning, but we can't afford holes in your building. There you go. Consider your air conditioned.
Oh, black hole? Black hole?
Were you peeping some of the mods that I
Yes, I did.
Looking when I was switching through to the minigun. I know that you saw that I have a lightsaber.
Oh shit!
Nice.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
I can throw it. I didn't realize that. Woo! Yeah, mama.
Oh my god! Now the game is completely broken.
This is the best game. Why didn't Darth Vader just do this? Why the hell?
Well, I'm screaming.
Block, block, stab. Throw the damn thing. And then lightning. Woo!
Oh my god! What the hell? On the force! Use the force!
Everything I ever wanted. This is so cool. Oh my god, Jedi, you're so strong. Wow.
The force is strong in this one.
White reds, I'm a Sith.
Holy fuck!
That's so dope. Oh my.
This is like Terminator 2.
It's so clean now.
Look at that.
God, that's so cool. Wait, can I make that? There we go. Make the lightsaber go away.
Oh my god.
That's dope.
Oh my god, look at the
I want
debris.
building to go away, though. There we go. The whole thing is off its foundation.
Oh my god! It actually broke the building too. Oh no!
God.
I want this game! Oh my god! This is so good! This is so perfect.
Guys, remember when the Bard was here? Oh, bye, boat.
Oh, bye.
Oh, I've always loved dumb physics in games.
Yeah.
This is the best. So Amazon are going to deliver you stuff in the future.
The bike truck.
Harder than I think every time.
Oh, that car is split in half.
Is it? Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, Johnny. Oh, Bessie.
It looks like it's split in half.
Whee!
It didn't even do anything.
Fully intact, man. The new Range Rover is unstoppable. You know they were off-road and all-terrain before? Now they're all surfaces and modes of transport and skies and... It's probably fine.
Oh, that is actually
This is
cool with
but
the
I
editing.
installed other stuff. I have an airstrike.
Oh my.
Oh.
Oh, 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 oh. What the fuck?
I just called in an AC-130. We're going to duty now, bitches! Whee! Oh man. Wait, can I use other stuff? Change ammo type.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we want that. Let's go! Napalm! Don't mind if I burn everything down.
Oh, shit.
Oh, and a water cannon. Just
Apocalypse Now.
I gotta clean up after what I did. Wait, can I see myself? Is that me? No, that's a hole in the roof. Oh shit!
Oh my god. Yep, you found yourself. You found yourself.
Woo-wee! Man, I need a different map. This abomination has looked at us for far too long. I also got a blowtorch that's called Inferno Blowtorch. I don't even know what the difference is. Oh! Right click!
Oh my god.
I figured it out! I know what it does! It also blasts things away! That'll do nicely. I need to open up a hole in the roof. It's
Airstrike.
too crowded in here. There you go, let the smoke out. I want to write I love you in bombs. I'm Jacksepticeye, you're watching Disney Channel. Coming in from downtown.
Holy shit.
I like seeing the bombs come in. So if I fire and then... Nice. Thank you, AC-130. You can go now. Because I have a black hole. How's this work? What is happening? Oh. Oh, Lord. Is it getting bigger? Wait, it vanished. What is going on?
Wait. Hold it. It's there.
Just gonna keep going? Oh, I may have done too much. Oh, no.
Oh my god.
I'm kind of scared at what I created. This is way more than I thought. Hold on. Why not just asteroid strike this as well? Why not just break my damn game? Here she comes.
Oh my god.
Nice! And now I have a nice little cleanup crew. Perfect. We're on 3 asteroids. I want to make like a big black hole that's going to swallow the entire map. Maybe I should put a black hole in a building. Yeah, put one right here. Wait, that's... Yeah. What happens if I put black holes in different places? Do they fight against each other? Does the black hole with more mass win?
Oh my. There goes the door.
It sucks into everything, like even the flaps over there are going wild. spectacular as I'd hoped.
Yeah,
spectacular,
not
but,
as...
you know, like,
Not as what I thought
Sith
and
powers.
pictured.
Sith are stronger than a black hole. I was getting RPG.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Oh, there you go. There's my
fighting
wish.
it's just a good explosive to have. Instead of these stupid pipe bombs. I think I'm finally going to be able to do it. I'm finally going to be able to destroy this monument of hideousness. Oh, yeah. Wait, if I put my back against the wall, can I just spray forever? Like, I can't... Okay, I can back up there. Hold on. I need to test this theory out. Internet, welcome.
The game theory.
Spray and pray, boys.
Oh my
Spray
God.
and pray. I am astonished that this game is able to keep up with all of this. Like, I am putting it to its absolute limits, and the game is just like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, this seems
Yeah,
normal.
That's gone. Yeah, bye.
Oh, shit. There goes that building.
Structural integrity mod on. So now everything that collapses actually breaks and crumbles?
Yeah.
I think. I don't know if I used it right.
I think you did.
Hole. Oh, I was sucking up all this stuff.
Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go.
You collapsed, but I can't lift you for some reason. Push myself into the ground.
There is no escape.
Ah, you stinky building. This building's the worst one in the whole game. It's hideous and I want it gone. Hey, get down to fiddle, hey, get down to boy, get down
Boom, 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 boom.
This beat is my recital. I think it's pretty vital to rock a rhyme that's right on time. It's tricky, 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 tricky. It's trick to rock a rock to rock a rock.
Oh my God.
I can't believe that didn't even work. I can't believe this thing is still standing. Nothing is going to destroy. I give up on it. Anyway, I have a ton of mods. One that I got last time that I didn't even try out is the Boeing 747.
737.
Flying plane with physics and all of that stuff. What is happening? Are we flying? Oh my God, that's the wing. Hold on, I want to change the weather because I hate that it starts on sunrise every time. I want to see sunshine. Wow. Where's my in-flight movie? Huh? I asked for a movie and a bag of peanuts, and I've been sitting down there. I'm the only one on the plane. Why is it so hard? Tell me. I'm actually quite lovely to fly with. But if I don't get my nap, you ever want to be on a plane and you're thinking about like opening the emergency exit?
No. Not on a plane. Oh no.
What do you think about this, huh? I'll kill us all! Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh God. Oh Jesus. What have I done? What have I done? Oh Jesus! Oh my God! I didn't actually think that would work. I shouldn't have done that. That is so scary. It's like looking at Lost. Can I fire a wing off? Oh, there's drop. Oh my God, the whole front of the plane is gone. It's exactly like Lost. We have to go back, Kate. How are you still flying? Oh, never mind.
There goes that. Oh, there goes that wing.
Did you hear that deep rumbly boom? How is that still going? That alarm bell's not gonna save you. I'm back. How's everyone doing? Oh, there are people on the flight. Total blood volume. I don't want to know the blood volume. That's creepy. Oh, this looks like it's already getting ready to blast. Is this making noise?
Oh! What?
He's sleeping. You
Oh my God.
Explode.
Oh my God. Kaboom.
Wait, where's the cockpit? It should be here.
Unless you're in the back of the
Are
plane.
you hiding the cockpit from me? There is no cockpit. It's all a lie. There's no... Oh, this is the back of the plane. Is this where my bags go? Settle, settle. Settle, settle. Settle. I don't think there's any stopping this fire. It has spread much further than I thought. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in the cockpit. Oh, wait. There's a door. Let me in. Oh, thank God. There's no one flying the plane.
Except that guy.
And he's dead! This is easy. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I have had 17 years of... like, playing games. How's that fire doing? Folks! Relax! It's a natural... It's just turbulence! Warm, fiery turbulence! Well, this plane has looked better. Uh-oh. Something burst. Something burst. Are we going down? I'm staying here. The cockpit is safe. It's pressurized. That's where the pilots are. Are we okay? Dang light. Shut up. Oh, I see what the problem is. There's a hole in the plane. I get it now. Oh, this plane back here is not as bad. Business class is where the real problem is happening, but back here in the back of the plane, you guys are chilling. There's even still people. Who's alive? Is there someone in the toilet? I'm coming in. Oh yeah, there is, and you are alive. Hooray! I can. You're evidence. Come on, you're evidence that I'm a good pilot. You see, everybody? We're not doomed. Everybody's having a good time. Will you get sucked out if I just leave you here? Oh God, I'm breaking your legs. See, you're fine. Oh. Never mind, they disintegrated. The wing is waving at us, everybody. Wave back.
Oh shit.
What happened? What was that? Oh, that's normal. That's supposed. Oh, we lost an engine. That's less normal. Was that? Oh, that was another engine. Oh no, the engine's fine. It's just the whole side of the plane that's gone. Ah, the cockpit.
Oh my God.
That's bad! I can't move! Oh. Oh, I got kicked out! I'm reliving it! What the fuck? Why does that keep happening? Oh. It's okay. I'm safe. Just don't touch it. That fire's getting a little close, huh? A little close. It's getting a little toasty! Oh. Well, this is nice. I'm safe here. Oh, maybe not. Quench! Quench it! Quench it! No more! No more fire, please! Okay, I can walk on it. Ah! That was just a one-time thing. I can walk on it easy. Ah! Can I go on AC 130 from here? Where's the plane? Hello? Oh, there you are! I found it! Okay, water cannon! Ah! That'll solve it! I think I'm helping! Okay, we're fine. As long as nobody does a single... Uh-oh. Ah!
Oh God.
This is my nightmare! You see, I told you guys I could land it. It's easy. I'm an expert quicker it comes down. Simple science. Well, thank you guys very much for watching this one. If you ever need a pilot to get you from A to B to C to maybe even D, just hit me up. Jacksepticeye is an expert official pilot with a real
That
license.
engine's on fire.
It's just in a different drawer. I don't have it offhand. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like if you liked it and subscribe. It's free. You can always unsubscribe anytime you want. So do it now.
Oh my god.
Never told you the...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. That one was fun. That was the black hole. Like, it was like kind of disappointing because didn't really do much. But the dark, like the Sith stuff, you know, the dark Star Wars related stuff, the lightsaber and the Force and the the electricity, that was cool. Like the fact that you could lift an entire building up in a sense. Oh my! I was like, holy shit! Like, holy fuck! This game is so good. I want to play it. And I'm pretty sure you're probably gonna be saying, well, why don't you? Well, most likely by the time you see this, I probably have it. So, there's to you. But, my goodness. Wow. This game is too fun. Like, it's just too fun. And the fact that you can get mods for the game, wow. You could do that. Now I want to get this game even more. Like, the Asteroid Strike. I'm pretty sure there's going to be more, types of mods there, but can't wait to get my hands on this game finally. I might do a video on this game. I don't know, just for fun, just trying to mess with things. Just having some fun and not actually trying to play the story mode a little bit. I don't know, like, who knows? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction. Overall, that was really fun and hilarious. The mods are just ridiculous, and it's so fucking funny. How crazy the physics of this game is. So anyways, if you like what you saw here, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Be sure to ring that bell to be part of the notification squad. Be sure to check out my Instagram because I make cool ads to Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, and myself. I also act as a cosplays on there, so go check it out. And be sure to check out my Tumblr and my Discord in the description as well. So until next time, JRDL96 signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!